Hey Target, this little L wrench is gonna be the death of me. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're gonna be conversing today. Today we are talking about the Target 6 cube organizer that I put together in my room. Now, I have already shown you how I put together a Target hairpin desk, and that was pretty easy. But as you know, the L wrench really gave me trouble. Um, it was not as hard on the desk as it was for this 6 cube organizer, but I got it done. I did use it. I just think it's really funny that Target is like, you're going to use this tool and nothing else. And I also showed you, also gave you some info about an IKEA shelf that I put together as well, and that was awful. Like, I am leaning towards only purchasing items for this room from Target from now on. Target has really made it convenient to pick up at curbside if you place your order on the app, get the item into your car with no hassle whatsoever, and then put together these really decent looking pieces and create a whole look. What I really like about this 6 shelf organizer or this cube organizer is that it can go vertical or horizontal. And inside the book, it tells you the weight capacity of the entire structure as well as each shelf. Let's come with a little booklet of instructions, and it shows you that it can be horizontal or vertical, and it shows you how to put it together. Now, most everything that you get and you have to put together yourself will come with some sort of manual. This manual is pretty easy to follow. What I like about it the most is that it actually has words. Some manuals only have pictures, like IKEA. Their manual only has pictures. Like, do they not understand that we can read words, or do they not want to have to put it in different languages? Like, I don't know, but this has words, and it was very helpful. It tells you what you need to put this thing together, and they give you most of the things that you need as well. So one thing that I did not use was a drill, and that's because I did not need to drill my shelf into a wall. If you have children or pets that climb up on things, it is probably a best bet for you to use the extra tools that they have in the box, as well as a drill to safely secure this to a wall. I'm 35 years old. I don't feel like I'm going to be climbing up on there, so I didn't have to put it up on there. One thing I noticed with these instructions that I didn't notice with the hairpin desk is that you need a cup of water. It actually has a picture of a cup of water right here. And that is because they give you these little wooden dowels. They're kind of like wooden, kind of plastic, and you have to put them in a cup of water first so they get very wet, and then stick them in the holes where you want to put the shelves together. That was really weird, and my book actually got wet because as I took them out of the water, I dripped it over my little book. The dowels are pre-glued, and I guess it activates the glue that's in them. So when you put it together, it glues it together. That's the science I'm thinking of. At any rate, it works. It worked, and it was different, but it worked. So the only two things that I actually used were the pre-glue dowels and then the hex screws. I didn't use these screws because, again, I didn't have to put it into the wall, and it was really only 3 steps, maybe 2 steps. I'll show you the pictures in the book of how I put it together. I put this together probably in about 15 minutes. The only thing that took me a long time was using this L-shaped screw situation or screwdriver, and I actually switched it out for the tip of some scissors. And with the scissors, I was able to turn the hex screws a little bit better than with this, because when my shelf was laying on the ground, I couldn't make a full turn. It was just like logistically kind of weird, but I did get it done. It did not take me very much time, and it is a quality piece for what I paid for it. What I also found very helpful is that there are additional accessories that you can purchase for this shelf. You can get casters so it will roll, which I feel like would be super duper clutch, or you can get feet for it. You can put feet on the bottom of it so it stands up off the ground. Mine just sits on the ground right now, and that's completely fine with me. But if that's not what you like, you can get casters or feet, and that info is in here as well. I'm looking forward to going into Target and finding some of their cute little like knickknacks to go on the shelf too. They really stepped up their game as far as interior design and putting a room together that looks kind of chic and homey versus what they used to have before. So I do recommend the shelf. It was super easy to put together. Normally, when I have things to put together, I wait until a day where I can sleep in and I'm rested and I'm not tired and irritated from a full day of work. But I actually put this together after work one day. And it's about 30 pounds. So I was able to get it upstairs by myself. It wasn't super duper heavy like my desk was and like the other shelf from IKEA was. I think it also comes in brown and black, but I like white furniture right now. I think that works well in my room. Let me know if you've tried this. Let me know if you've tried any other Target furniture. And until next time, y'all have a good day.